Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mortgage Pro. Today we are exploring the top 5 smart ways to use your HELOC for your home improvements. Ready to transform your space? Let's dive in. Kitchen makeover. Upgrade your kitchen with new countertops, cabinets, or appliances. A modern kitchen not only enhances your home's value, but also makes cooking a joy. Bathroom bliss. Turn your bathroom into a spa-like retreat. Consider adding a new shower, vanity, or even heated floors for that extra touch of luxury. Energy efficiency. Invest in energy efficient windows, insulation, or solar panels. Not only will you save on utility bills, but you'll also reduce your carbon footprint. Outdoor oasis. Creating an outdoor living space with a deck, patio, or garden. It's perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet evening under stars. Basement transformation. Finish your basement to add extra living space, whether it's a home theater, gym, or guest suite. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for tuning in. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumb up and subscribe for more home improvement ideas. See you next time.